Google. Let's go get him again.
Welcome back to the Robe Zoe channel. I'm your host Mark, and welcome to your Monday morning weekly update. I'm going to let you know what's going on the Robe Zoe channel this week, and you're going to let me know in the comments below if you're going to be tuning in or not. I love seeing the comments, you know, which ones you're checking out. You're going to pass on the whole week, all that. I think this is for my Sweet Tooth subscribers. This kind of has like a gourmand feel. I'm looking at this lineup. As usual, we're going to go through the trough, but today, good morning. Hopefully you're having your coffee while watching me to let you know how the week's going to go. Tomorrow, you're going to have your subscriber's choice, so don't forget to vote and let me know which fragrance you want me to review. Then on Wednesday, the heavy lifting starts, and we're going to start with unboxing, but I got a tester, so it's not an unboxing. It is from the brand of Nishane, and I just spoke about Africa Unifam, which I think is the best from the brand. Last week I did a test drive. Go check it out. But this is new to my collection. This is Annie, and I'm late, but I'm gonna let you know about Annie. Obviously it's a tester, so there's not really any unboxing, but I'll give you my first impression on it, and now it's officially in my collection. That's usually what this video is all about, the unboxing videos. It's officially there, so now I can start testing. Next is Test Drive Thursdays. Every Thursday we test drive, and I've had this for a while. This is Lost Cherry. I've never actually did a full standalone video on this. I did an unboxing back in 2019, I think, and that's it. So I can't wait to actually talk a little more in depth about Lost Cherry. Next, on Friday, we are going to be unboxing another Stronger With You. We did Intensely a couple weeks back, or maybe a month now. Everything's a blur now in the fragrance game. On my channel, I've been doing a lot of work. This is Stronger With You, Absolutely. Another one from that. So finally unboxing that one on Friday. And then on the weekend, of course, is sampling time. Your subscriber's choice is always on Saturday. This one had some competition, we'll say, but it wasn't really that close. Nasamato came, I think, in second. And what was the other one? I think it was Louis Vuitton, which was the next one after that. But this one from Bvlgari, this was a week one, baby. So finally, Tigar is going to get reviewed. I can't wait to crack this one open and see what the hype's about on that one, or if it's deserving. And then last but not least is my sampling samples, where I go like this, blindly, and it's a Lucky Scent sample, and it is Tom Ford's Electric Cherry. See, I haven't spoken about that, haven't sampled it yet. I'm not really big on that one. I don't think that is going to be right up my alley. Honestly, I think it's the lighter version of all of them. So I don't know, we'll see. Maybe it'll surprise me, but there's your week. More of a gourmand type of week here. Nice to see a couple Tom Fords here. Yeah, always comment below. I love to see the comments. Let me know your early thoughts on these. And if you're going to be tuning in or not the whole week, half the week, just a couple of them. You're going to pass this week. You don't have a sweet tooth. You kind of don't want this week. You wait till next week. Absolutely love it. Thank you so much for the support. Much appreciated. And I'm looking forward to giving my thoughts on these fragrances this week. Merci beaucoup. Have a good week, right? Mondays, it's not all gloom. Looking forward to the end of the week with all of these goodies. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.